Let's discuss area of the triangle. We have already known area of the triangle is of into base into height, and we know Heron's formula for area of the triangle, root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Here a, b, c are the sides of the triangle and s equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Okay, we know these two formulas. Let's discuss one new formula for area of the triangle. Okay, draw coordinate axis x and y axis. Here let a, b, c be any triangle. Okay, a, b, c is the any triangle. Here whose vertices are a, x1, y1, b, x2, y2, c, x3, comma y3. Okay, and draw AP, BQ, CR perpendiculars from A, B, C respectively to the x-axis. Okay, here AP, BQ, CR are the perpendiculars. Okay, see this figure. Here we have to find area of the triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Okay, see this figure. Here A, B, Q, P. It is a trapezium. Okay, trapezium, and A, C or P. Okay, this is a trapezium. Okay, next ABC is triangle. Next B, C or Q. BC or Q is the one trapezium. Okay, here we have to find area of triangle ABC. Okay, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of trapezium A, B, Q, P plus area of trapezium A, P or C minus area of trapezium B, Q or C. Okay, is it clear? Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to area of trapezium A, B, Q, P, first trapezium. Okay, plus area of trapezium A, P or C. Okay, minus area of trapezium B, Q, BQ or C. Okay, we know area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel side. Sum of parallel side into distance between them. Okay, here first trapezium, area of trapezium ABQP. Okay, area of trapezium ABQP is half into sum of parallel side. First trapezium ABQP. Sum of into sum of parallel side. Parallel sides are BQ and AP. Okay. BQ plus AP into distance between them. Distance between them. It is QP. Okay. Is it clear? Area of trapezium ABQP is sum of into sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are BQ and AP. Okay. Of into BQ plus AP into distance between them. It is QP. Okay. Of into here x2. x2 is perpendicular distance from the y-axis is x2. Okay. This distance is x2. x1 is perpendicular distance from the y-axis. This distance is x1. This total distance is x3. Okay. This is x3. In same way y2. This is y2. AP is y1. Next y3 is CR is y3. Okay. Here BQ is y2 plus AP is y1 into QP is x1 minus x2 is QP. Okay. x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2. Okay. Next, area of the trapezium A, P or C is of into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides are AP plus CR. AP plus CR into distance between them is PR. Okay. Of into AP is y1, CR is y3, PR is x3 minus x1. x3 minus x1. Okay. Next, area of the trapezium B, Q or C is of into sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are BQ plus CR. BQ plus CR into distance between them QR. Okay. Of into BQ is y2, CR is y3, QR is x3 minus x2 is QR. Okay. Therefore, area of the triangle ABC is trapezium. Area of the trapezium ABQP plus area of the trapezium AP or C minus area of the trapezium BQ or C. Okay. Substitute these values in the equation. Area of the triangle ABC. Okay. Of is common y2 into x1. y2 x1 plus y2 into minus y2 into x2. y2 x2 y1 into x1 minus y1 into x2 y1 into x3 minus y3 into x1 minus y2 into x3 minus y3 into y minus into minus plus y2 into x2 minus y3 into x3, minus into minus plus y3 into x2. Okay, see here, plus y1 x1 minus y1 x1 get cancelled. Okay, minus y2 x2 plus y2 x2 cancel. Next, y3 x3 plus y3 x3 minus y3 x3 get cancelled. Remaining terms are of into y2 x1 minus y1 x2 plus y1 x3 minus y3 x1 minus y2 x3 plus y3 x2. Okay, of into here x1 terms. Write x1 terms together. y2 x1 minus y3 x1. Next, x2 terms minus y1 x2 plus y3 x2. x3 terms y1 x3 minus y2 x3. Okay, here of into x1 is common, x1 into y2 minus y3. Here plus x2 is common, y3 minus y1. Next, x3 is common, y1 minus y2. Okay, this is the new formula for area of the triangle ABC. Okay, this is very important formula.